Welcome to RoyTech video tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create an HMI screen for your projects part 3. So the first thing that we are going to do is open our program, and if you remember in the last video we were just going to start emulating our project in the PLC with the HMI screen. So if I press start, I am going to have the color green in here, and then after 5 seconds I am going to have the color yellow in here, and then it is going to be on 10 seconds, and finally we are going to have the color red in here 4 seconds. So if I press start, you are going to see how all the colors are going to change. So basically our project is working. So right now the only thing that I need to do is select stop in here, and everything is in color black. So right now I am just going to close this window in here. Do you want to exit? I'm going to say yes. I'm going to work on line simulator. I am going to disable. I am go back again to my project in here, and then I am just going to make a couple changes in here, and you are going to see how it works. Remember that I told you that if you go to the labels, the switch status off is start and the switch status on is start. Well, if you don't put anything, for example, I'm going to apply for it, and then in this case I am going to do the same thing in here. We are not going to have any kind of label, right? So apply, okay. And then I am going to go back again to the PLC emulator. So I'm going to save all the changes. Start. And then if I press start in here, you're going to see how this label, it is going to disappear. Do you see? So basically it is very important to put the same label with the on off buttons, because if not, you're going to see that basically this button, this bit is on, as you can see in the screen right now, correct? So it's off and says start. It's on and in here is start, but in here you cannot see it, right? Same thing with this one, remember? Right now it's in stop mode because this bit is off. But in here you are not going to see the option or the label that we are going to have in our button. So in here I'm just going to cancel, say yes. And then I am going to go back to my HMI screen. I am going to make double click, label, switch status off, start, switch status on, start again, apply for it, okay. Stop, switch status off, stop, switch status on, stop, apply for it, okay. Save a screen or save everything, alright? So I am going to save everything, and well, basically that's it. Of course you can go to the buttons in here and go to the colors and shapes and see all the options that I enable for this project. For example, the color that is supposed to be in color gray, color green, the label that says start, the frame, basically you're going to see that we have it in color black. The label, also we can go to the text attribute, change the standard, the font name, the size, the positioning here. Also you are going to see that you are available to put more labels in here with this option that we have in here, label. So you are going to see that the label says RoyTech Inc. traffic light, text attribute, the color is red, the vertical position is center, the horizontal position is center, the font name is standard, and well, all these kind of things, right? And well, basically also you are going to see that if I go to the option in here and write address, you are going to see that the address is 25.00, and if I go to the PLC that is supposed to be in here, the address is 25.00, right? Same thing with this one in here, 25.01, and then you are going to have in here 125.01, and about the output 125.00, 125.01, 125.02. So again, in the PLC, 125.0, 0.1, and 0.2, right? For today, this is it for the moment. Thank you for watching RoyTech video tutorial. See you on the next video.